We're here at Goodwill.
Is it going to be a bust or a must?
Hello.
Hello.
Color of the week is blue. Okay, let's. These are cute. Size are those?
20 years.
These are $12.99. Really? Really?
Yes, and it's real.
Okay. Let's look. Oh, look, they've got Steve Madden. They've got all kinds of shoes. Oh, those are pretty. Those are pretty. Oh, yeah, I've got flats like those.
Those are not flats.
No, those aren't flats.
This way.
Yeah, let's go this way. Oh, those are cute, too. Those are $8.99.
Hey Mom, the black and green one.
Turn around that way. He's going. The food you crave. How much is that? How much is this book, girls? Oh, that's kind of cool. Old-fashioned home baking.
Eating.
How much are these books? I can't read them. How much are the books?
Doesn't say.
Oh.
It just has 2 dots.
Oh, look at this one. My cookies.
I mean,
are
it says
cookies.
26 right here.
26? It's
But
not.
I
No,
don't
that's
think-
not the price. What is this price right there? What is it? We can't read that.
It doesn't
What
say
is it?
anything.
I don't know. Oh, books.
Oh.
Hardcover or $1.99, paperback or 99 cents, and oversized are $4.99 and up. Wow, that's not bad. So this is only $1.99. Foods Farm and Foods That Heal. So this is only $1.99. They have vegetarian cookbooks. Oh boy. I have lots of albums. Oh, Peaches and Herb.
No, it doesn't have a price.
Diana Ross. Oh my gosh. I don't know who that is. I don't know who she is. Oh, look at Sean Cassidy. He was my very first concert that I went to.
That's a boy.
Uh-huh. Andy Williams. Oh, Julio Iglesias.
Oh, I accidentally sent her a picture.
Barbara Streisand. Andy Williams. Okay. I don't know what this is. Boss Skaggs. And is this Carole King? This is the greatest album. The greatest. They have lots of monitors or TVs up here. Lots of stereos. Oh, look at this lamp. Oh, that's cute. How much is this? Let's see. That lamp is $13.99.
This is
That one's kind of cool right there.
That's pretty. This is like a little.
Oh, there's a matching set right
The
there.
ones like this.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That's a Pixar. Yeah.
No, it's this. What is this?
They've got lots of vacuums. And the vacuums here are $49.99. but I don't think all of them are that price. $45. I can't read that one. Oh, look at this cool old clock. How much is that? Can you grab that? That is so cool. It's right up here.
Oh, $6.99.
Oh, is it like a... Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's a cute old clock. They have lots of hair dryers and appliances. Microwave. How much is that?
$46.99.
Gosh, and that's in great
And this is
condition.
nice.
I know it is nice. Let's see over here. Got lots of crock pots and lots of coffee makers. Air fryers. Crock pots are... How much is this? I need my glasses.
$66.61.
What?
Yeah. 66... No. $19.99.
You silly goose. Oh, they have pretty artwork.
Why is it upside down?
$29.99. I like those a lot. Those are cute. Oh yeah, what is that?
That's bad.
Oh, United Colors of Benetton. $14.99.
They have Louis Vuitton hats.
I know. We'll have to see the Vincent Van Gogh. $9.99 for that picture. Oh, look at how precious this is. That's so cute. I have this little globe. I don't think I see globes anymore. $5.99. That's pretty sturdy.
Good afternoon, Goodwill shoppers. For the safety and health of all true shopping items, we ask that you please keep your children with you at all times. And we thank you for your cooperation.
Lots of arts and crafts. Look at the shell dish. It's so cute. Masons. Oh, Crabtree and Evelyn.
I love these type of bowls. Like any,
Yeah,
I love them.
do
They're
too.
so cute.
I like this bowl. What is this? $3.99.
Oh, and this one is.
Is this Anchor Hawking?
This is 99 cents per way.
Okay. Okay. I don't know what that is. I can't read it. What that logo is. That's $1.99. Here's another, like, homemade, $2.99. I like that a lot. It's got a little marking there. It almost looks like a lotus flower. This little thing is so cute. $1.99.
What's this?
That's just an ashtray. Oh no, that's a soap dish. You probably get that at Target. Look at these dishes. These bowls are cute. Those are $3.99 for 3 of them. Wow. These are heavy. Yeah, those are. Oh, there's more of that bowl. There's 6 of them. What's this? $3.99 for Corningware.
What's this?
What's this bowl?
Oh, that's the same
$3.99.
one. It comes with the lid.
Yeah, that's pretty. Look at that mixing bowl set. How much that is. I gotta look on the lower shelves. $16.99. That's kind of expensive. for Goodwill. A set of camels. I think they're $3.99 each. Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh, look at this. That's cute. That's $3.99. It's pretty cool. It looks like it was handmade. Look at this. Wow, these are heavy. How much is this? $9.99. There's 2 of them.
That's so cute.
Yeah, that is.
It is $3.99.
Yep. Oh,
Oh my God, I love this one.
look at this little ship. $6.99. That vase is pretty cool. $6.99.
He's like, what do you mean? And I see right here.
$1.99. Oh, there's 6 of them. It's a nice vase. $5.99. You could put fake plants in there or a real plant. Oh, there's 2 of them. This is a nice crock. $5.99. Oh, this is the Pampered Chef. $5.99. That's nice. Oh, it's a little purse.
And there's like things.
What's it say? How much? $4.99.
And there's a microphone.
Oh, it's like you speak into it or you sing?
Yeah, like a karaoke.
Oh, like a karaoke machine. Look at these little cute roller blades.
Debbie.
I don't see a price on them. Don't throw stuff around. Baseball gloves. Let's see how much those are. $6.99. Jump rope. $1.99. They've got adult roller blades. Those are $13.99. So I'm guessing the kids would probably be like $6.99 or something. Oh, they've got helmets. Wow.
I know, Gabby.
There's ice skates down here. $1.99 for that. That's cute. Got a cute little shade. Yeah, these are old. These are from when we were younger.
Baseball.
That jug is nice, but $14.99. It looks fairly new. $4.99.
This is cute.
Yeah, that's pretty. How much is that?
$4.99.
Look at how precious these are. Oh my gosh. $3.99. Oh, they're so cute. Look at these little sneakers. These. Oh my God, look at those. How much are these?
Which Barbie?
What are they?
$6.99.
$6.99. Those
Everything
are
is
so
$19.
cute. Look at these little slippers. Ballerina, $6.99.
These rain boots are getting under the sea.
I got snow boots down there. Girls, what did you think of this one? Is it a bust? Or
It's a bust.
yeah,
But they were like a little good things, like things you could like craft and thrift there.
yeah,
But
We thought we found like a Louis Vuitton bag,
but it wasn't.
It was fake.
Yeah, no, it was on sale for $34.99. I don't think it was Louis Vuitton. They did have a lot of clothes. I think that's what's going for this specific Goodwill. But as far as like homewares and stuff like that, they had some stuff, but I didn't think it was
like,
that great. Yeah,
Rusty.
yeah. So I think in total, what do we think?
Bust.
Yeah.
there was like a table and chair set, and it was so pretty, but like so fake at the same time.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
think it's a bust.
Yeah.